What's up, guys? Today we are diving back into +1 speed keyboard escape, but with a massive twist. We are testing out all 4 unique key sounds to find out which one is truly the best. Oh, and while doing that, I gained over 16 million wins. Look at this speed. Let's get straight into the sounds. First up, we have the creamy sound. Let's hear how it sounds while we breeze through these keyboard stages. Super smooth, honestly. It feels so satisfying to listen to while stacking up wins. Next up, let's switch it over to the chocolate sound. Let's check it out. Ooh, that one has a much deeper, richer thought to it. Very nice. Moving on to sound number 3, the candy sound. Let's see if this one sweetens the gameplay. A bit more poppy. Definitely fits the colorful aesthetic of this map. And finally, we have the classic clacky sound. Let's see how loud this one gets. Now that is a traditional mechanical keyboard sound right there. Absolute perfection for speedrunning. And there you have it. Creamy, chocolate, candy versus clacky. Which one are you equipping? Thanks so much for watching, guys. Drop a comment down below and tell me your absolute favorite sound from the video. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more insane Roblox breakdowns.